I am working on studying the cytoskeleton of endothelial cells.
Dr. Siegel and I are working on using drones to deploy bridges.
I'm working on a project that deals with histology.
I conducted research with Dr. DeBoli, primarily focused on evaluating novelty in short text ideas.
The ASPiRe program is a summer research program at Hofstra University. It lasts 10 weeks, and typically what happens is an undergraduate student will work with an engineering or computer science faculty member on a specific research project.
Advanced Summer Research Initiative we have at Hofstra was established 4 years ago to provide experiential learning opportunity for our students. The intent of the program is to take upper class students and immerse them in scientific research for an extended period during the summer.
This summer research has taught me more self-discipline in the fact that I don't have a set schedule.
It wasn't something that I could just get bored of or do half-heartedly. I was being pushed to accomplish this thing, and there was no leaving it until later.
First and foremost, summer research students is ability to work independently, of course, ability to learn and to be curious, of course.
You get real problem-solving skills. You run into tons of different problems and you have to use whatever you have in your toolkit to solve it.
I think it's nice to stay on Hofstra's campus in the summer, to be surrounded by your peers that are also going through the same thing.
Just being able to work in this setting with such a support system is great.
There are a ton of research projects on campus and you could find a professor to help you out along the way.
So by having students spend during the summer working on a problem that they cannot find the answer of it in the back of the book, working with other students, improving their teamwork skills, learning how to read technical journal articles, learning how to find resources for doing their research by contacting companies. These are all the skill sets that individual needs for competing in the global world.
After working with Dr. DeBoli and realizing how much I could really enjoy solving these deep, rich problems and pushing forward the state of the art, I think I'm solidly on the side of academia.
After working in the lab this summer, I am definitely more interested in research opportunities.
I actually do plan to pursue this research further this semester. I'm still working with Dr. DeBoli to try to push the accuracy percentage a little higher and possibly even submit it to a journal.
One of the reasons why I wanted to go into this field of research is that if I can try and affect patient care in some way, that would be worth it.